How to split screen on Windows 11 with examples. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. I have here actually four tabs or four open windows here. And then what I'm going to do is just basically hover over here. And as you can see, after hovering over, you should be able to see there are different arrangements. Now, I can go ahead and choose, say for example, this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this particular window on the left side, so I can go ahead and click this one right here, and then as you can see, now we are able to do so. Now let's head over here again, and then I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to select, say for example, this one right here, and then you can select which one or which of these tabs here you want to put here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and then down below you have two options. I'm going to click this and then this one. So as you can see, we are able to put all of these four tabs here in our screen. And yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.